వెల్కమ్ టు మై ఛానల్ తవ కథామృతం తప్త జీవనం.
The nectar of instruction. नाना शास्त्र विचारणैक निपुणौ सद्धर्म संस्थापकौ लोकानां हितकारिणौ त्रिभुवने मान्यौ शरण्याकरौ राधाकृष्ण पदारविन्द भजनानन्देन मत्तालिकौ वन्दे रूपसनातनौ रघुयुगौ श्रीजीवगोपालकौ. टेक्स्ट 3. उत्साह निश्चयात् धैर्यात् तत्तत्कर्म प्रवर्तनात् संगत्यागो सतो वृत्ते सद्भिर्भक्ति प्रसिद्ध्यति. In this there are 6 points. In this first point, Utsaha means enthusiasm. Spiritual life means giving up all material desires. Srila Rupa Goswami Prabhupada is saying Kama Jnana, not being covered by them. Srila Prabhupada says should be Kama Jnana, should be given up. Anyabhilasata sunyam jnana karmadi anavrutam anukulyena krishnanuselanam bhaktiruttama. Anyabhilasat sunyam, make it zero. Don't get covered by karma jnana principles. Only the way is bhakti, anusilana, capable of cultivation. That kind of consciousness, feel for Krishna. So it is cultivation. Cultivation means activity. Activity means 3 things: body, mind and words. Manasa, vacha, karmana. One should have activity of body, activity of mind and activity of words or speech. So that's why these 9 processes are there. Our bhakti from Padma Purana: Shravanam, Kirtanam, Vishnu Smaranam, Padasevanam, Archanam, Vandanam, Dasyam, Sakhyam, Atmanivedanam. These 9 processes turning one's body, mind and speech in Krishna's service. Shravanam involves every falls on mind. Without mind and intelligence, properly do this. But for the purpose of analysis, you can think of Shravanam as involving senses plus mind. Kirtanam involves speech and mind. Remembrance involves mainly the mind, and Archanam involves bodily senses, and sometimes along with the mind. Padasevanam involves the whole body, and then Sakhyam and Atmanivedanam is really highest content of spiritualized mind. So one should cultivate these activities. One should not be lazy. One should be very enthusiastic. Utsaha. For the karmis, their enthusiasm comes from lust. For jnanis, their enthusiasm from indifference. They can't laugh. The impersonalist thinks that if they laugh, they are offended. Smile is avoid. If you laugh like this, you are offended. So, one should be careful. Jnani is sitting at corners and meditating. Indifference. That stage, Mayavadis. Indifference is not useful in bhakti. Enthusiasm be there. One inertia, 16 rounds take for 3 or 4 hours. Second, distraction. You are chanting and thinking something else. Third one, indifference. We have to cross these 3 stages with enthusiastically. Then attention will come. If you are not enthusiastic, then the above 3 will come. What? Either inertia, distraction, or indifference. Enthusiasm is a key. The basis of enthusiasm is all are active. The rasa for happy devotee is enthusiasm. That is rasa. Our enthusiasm in loving relationships with the devotees, then you chant. Because loving relationship is missing, so we are not enthusiastic in chanting. It is not a material activity. We are enthusiastic of love. The activities of medium of expressing that love. Therefore, it is loving relationship that makes you how you walk, how you dress, how you dance, how you eat, how you talk with others. If we are not enthusiastic about loving relationship, we can't enthusiastic in anything. Because what is enthusiasm? Enthusing principle of karmi is lust. Enthusing principle of jnani is indifference. Enthusing principle of bhakta is loving relationship. The training in Krishna consciousness is to become enthusiastic to all loving relationship. In the next verse, hearing itself, if you enthusiastically hear, what does it mean? Unless you are enthusiastic in your relationship, you can't hear properly. Remember this word. You smashes Mayavadi philosophy. We have to be very careful. The people of this age, they all don't have with reciprocation. Because the modern education introduced different aspects of lust. In the Kali Yuga, avidya is very strong. Therefore, the people don't know how to express love, how to reciprocate love. They won't be enthusiastic. They are lazy about this. One of the symptoms of Kali Yuga is lazy. Prayena alpayusha shabhya kalavasmin yuge jana manda. What is laziness? Laziness is when you are dragging a field for right thing. Backbone of Shraddha is enthusiasm. How to reciprocate with the children? Because of lack of this enthusiasm, our moment is lagging behind. Love and trust. Trust is deeper. If you have trust, then only you love. Love and trust is very scarce. People are not enthusiastic about that. They are not enthusiastic about hearing. That slackens the bhakti. First symptom that you are not doing well. It is that you are not really want more. That means that you are not even to loving relationship. Through the hearing process, one cultivates loving relationship. Therefore, the sages of Naimisharanya, how eager to hear from Suta Goswami, 1000 years. Nobody can speak 1000 years, at least for time being, they are speaking. Today I am stopping here. I will continue in next episode. श्रील गुरु महाराज की जय, श्रील प्रभुपाद की जय, श्री श्री राधा गोविंद जी भगवान की जय, अनंत कोटि वैष्णव वृंद की जय, उपदेशामृतं की जय, निताय गौर प्रेमानंदे, हरि हरि बोल।